Is your brand reaching the right audience? Do you know how a powerful content can change the face of your business? Come on, today we know about the power of content. 85% of people worldwide rely on content to learn about new products or services. Good content generates not only views or likes, but also credibility for brands. The first thing you need to do when creating content is to find the right idea. Then, it is strategically arranged and made attractive to the audience. 3 key aspects of good content. 1. Storytelling. Let your content tell a story. 2. Value. It should add value. 3. Engagement. Get the audience to participate in the content. This viral video has won the hearts of millions of people because it connects with people's emotions. That's it for today. Leverage the power of content to drive success for your brand. If you like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well.